Hey guys, today I want to pass on a little secret that I've learned how I save a lot of money on hardware. So, a lot of you guys know I have hardware in bulk. And the reason I do this is because you can save a fortune. So, today I picked up all of this hardware. And this is on that scale right here. And it comes to 50 pounds of hardware. So inside every one of these bags, I've counted all of the stuff using my counting scale. So how this works is I put 10 pieces on and I say sample unit 10, sample unit, and then it says 10, and then I put a ton of them on there and it tells me 1,000 or however many are on there, right? So I can precisely count every single one of those pieces of hardware precisely. So altogether, I had 50 pounds of hardware at $1.79 per pound, which comes to $89.50. All right, here you go. See, grade 2 bulk fasteners, $1.79 a pound, and I got a whole super long receipt because they weighed every single little bag individually. Anyways, I just wanted a little bit of proof here because some of you guys are going to be like, "That's not what you paid." Here it is. Now, I just priced out every single thing that I bought on McMaster-Carr, and I would have paid $312 for the exact same stuff. And I would have had a nice hefty shipping charge with 50 pounds worth of steel. So, $312 plus shipping, but because I bought in bulk, I only paid $89.50 plus tax, of course, as there's 7% added onto the $89. Overall, guys, you can really see there's a massive savings from buying bulk. So this is why I strongly support the idea of setting up a hardware bin in your shop, and all of the most common quarter 20, 5/16, 1032s, anywhere, everything from number 8s up to ½ inch, you should have stock and buy in bulk, build it up over time, but you'll never have to run to the hardware store for little teeny tiny bolts, waste gas, waste time, and waste money. You're going to save a ton if you just take the time, set some cash aside, and get yourself a stock of bulk hardware. Anyways, guys, just trying to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting my channel here. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends who have shops of their own. Maybe they could save some money and we could all be more efficient and use that extra money to create cool new stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.